If you're a business owner, creator, or entrepreneur, you've probably heard about Facebook shops. In today's video, I'm going to walk through the latest method to create a shop on your Facebook page. Now, once you're ready, log into your Facebook business page. This is where the shop will be created. Now go to your page like this. Tap on the downward arrow. Here you can go to your Facebook business page. Now make sure you're admin of the page. Now go to the shop tab on your Facebook page. If you don't see this option, you might need to enable it. You can do that by going to your page's settings. Go to settings and go to templates and tab. Simply search for it and turn on the shop option. If you don't have it, it means your country has not the access to have the Facebook shop yet. Now you'll be taken to the shop setup page. This is where you can choose some important settings for your shop. Fill out your business details, including your business type, shop name, and currency. Next, you'll need to select your checkout method. And once your shop preferences are set up, it's time to add your products. Click on add products to start adding items to your Facebook shop. Once you've added your products, you can organize them into categories like clothing, electronics, or any other categories that make sense for your business. And that's it. You've successfully created a Facebook shop, and now you can sell your products directly on Facebook, reach a wider audience, and drive sales through the platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.